Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect Metal TV to your Roblox account. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the Metal TV account or application right here. You can simply do so by typing Metal TV on your system logo, and then you want to open up the application. Once inside, you can navigate through the plus icon or the add a friend button. Simply, there's a shortcut button on this menu where you can see the connect Roblox button. Now you want to click on this specific option right here, and a window will show up on your browser like this one. You simply want to log in your Roblox username, password, and from there you then want to click on authorize. After clicking on authorize, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.